Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Colby, and on this episode of Today's Tech, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Halo Live Pro multimedia station. To start this unboxing, let's start by opening the box and looking what's inside. Once we're inside, you see the light itself. There's a selfie stick, which also turns into a tripod. There's a small tripod. There's the phone mount for the tripod and the selfie stick, and there's an additional tripod phone mount. We can start by taking the selfie stick out of the box and screwing the phone mount onto the top of the tripod. This selfie stick feels very well made and can extend from 1 feet 5 inches to 3 feet 7 inches. Very nice length. The selfie stick can then be screwed onto the bottom tripod mount. Once the tripod is screwed onto the bottom of the selfie stick, this makes for great still shots. To attach the ring light to the tripod, we will use the ball mount, attach it to the light, and then we will unscrew the phone mount from the tripod and attach the ball mount to the tripod. Now that the ring light is set up and plugged in, you can see that there is 3 different modes. There's warm, cool, and mixed, and there's also 10 different levels of brightness. This tripod and media station is great for YouTube because it allows you to mount your phone inside and above the ring light, which allows you to make great content while well lighting your face. This multimedia station also comes with a remote shutter that you can use to connect to your phone to start and stop recording your videos. One of my favorite things about this tripod is the 3 different light modes and the 10 different variations of brightness for the perfect viewing setting. I would highly recommend this product for anyone who is interested in any type of video and wants to get better lighting for their setup. Alright, now we're going to switch my camera from that tripod to this tripod and ring light, and let's see the difference. Here's the old, here's the new. Here's the old, here's the new. Now that we're testing out the new tripod, I can't wait to use this in the future and believe that it is a great deal for only $50. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I would highly recommend this product, and if you'd like to check it out, I'll leave a link in my description below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.